Okay, well, it's certainly been a moment since I visited this workbench. Now that most of the home improvement projects are finished, I need to get busy with some stuff, starting with my tablet that I use for security monitoring. Look at that. It's starting to bulge out and split apart. And so somewhere over here, I did order a new battery for it. I got to clean out this workbench. It's been, what, almost a month? Cats have been living in here. Cat hair freaking everywhere. Anyhow, I believe in this box is the battery because of this. I haven't even opened it yet. It's been here probably, look at that, September 8th. And so what is it, the 25th when I'm taping this. So yeah, it's been here 2 weeks. Some cable ties, some other cable ties that you put the screw through, some more cable ties. I went to Harbor Freight the other day, had to get something. So anyhow, let me put all this stuff away and try to at least clean off this general area, and we'll move forward from there. One moment. Okay, well, let's see if we can get this thing open. So I have actually two of these, and the other one did the exact same thing probably 6 months or maybe a year ago. I didn't do a video on it, but I did end up somehow damaging the touch portion of the screen where like basically this area does no longer touch. And I think it's because I tried to get the screen out without separating the back, which I guess is a no-no. Whoopsie doodles. So let me go ahead and try to pump up the exposure. Let me see if I can do this while it is running. And yeah, we'll try to take it up to about there. 1.25 stops. So I know that it's covered in cat hair. I don't know if it's going to glue down now or not. So I guess there's an inside and an outside, and I started to pop this off just a little bit ago by like holding it down and just popping it out. And I got somewhere, as you can see, the frame is coming up with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to pop it the rest of the way around if I can without re-latching everything, maybe. Oh, yep, there it goes. I've got some little prying apparatuses that I could try, like guitar picks and whatnot. Let me get those out. One moment. Well, we'll just see if this little prying doohickey... Nope, can't get it in there. That's not going to work. How about the classic guitar pick? I might just go with the screwdriver at this point. This one's angled exactly the same. Maybe I can reverse pry it. Oh, so close. Don't they give you just a straight prying apparatus? Well, let's see if I can find a screwdriver. We'll go old school. It's my own item, so if it gets destroyed, so be it. Okay, if I can put that, there we go. Oh, it appears to be coming around. It does look like it just unsnaps. Oh, and it turned on. Yay. Okay, well, obviously the battery is still good. It's just bulging. Okay. Look at that. Back is off. Now, let's see if I can power this thing down. I think it's that one. Power off. Don't know if you can see it or not. So I know from doing the last video, or actually I tried to make a video and then I failed miserably and damaged the touchscreen portion. You have to remove this cable that runs across the top of the bulging pillow right here. And as I recall, it was fairly easy to do. I could probably get away with just removing that one end right there. Well, let me get a knife and we'll get rid of some of the hair on this box and we'll get her opened up. Forbidden for transport aboard passenger aircraft. Yep, they can go sideways sometimes. One moment. Owie! EB-BT567ABA 27.74 watt hour. Free tools, new. It's like joining Columbia House. All right, let's zoom out just a little bit. Oh, good. Some more prying apparatus. Okay, we'll add that to the drawer of cell phone stuff. Laptop battery. No, this is not a laptop battery. It's a tablet battery. When using a laptop battery for the first time, discharge to 10%, then recharge it. And it's like this, the discharging and charging procedures 3 to 4 times. Okay, well, if you want to read that, go ahead and pause it. Otherwise, no, not happening, sweetheart. Nice foam. I think I'll save that foam. This is a static sensitive device, really? Well, I might have BMS built into it. Battery management system. Well, it just has a black bar over what says Samsung in this one, so it's obviously getting out of some copyright stuff, because I guarantee you this is not an original Samsung battery. But how do you know if it is or not? Maybe someone can decipher the hieroglyphics on this. Don't put it in the trash. There's a QR code, probably the exact same QR code as the original one. Date on this one is 2018-08, 2019-09. And from what I can tell, these numbers are about identical. Well, let's go ahead and get all these screws out of here and get the old one unplugged and the new one plugged. Okay, well, hopefully my head did not get in the way, but the new battery is installed. Let's go ahead. I'm just going to, I don't really care if there's a gap or not. I'm just going to press the adhesive back together from the old battery, pushing the screen out. And we'll see if it powers on. I did not check the voltage. Press and hold the power button. And I do have Galaxy Tab E Android. So obviously the battery is charged somewhat. Well, I don't know if you can make it out, but it says the battery is at 56% right there. So let's go ahead and open the tablet. Does not know what time it is. It thinks it's 4 o'clock. Yeah, it thinks it's 4 p.m. Well, it's been off for probably 3 weeks. And it'll get its update shortly. Wednesday, December 31st. Oh, whoop, there it just changed. Okay. Go ahead and open the camera app. There it goes. Loading, loading. That's pretty weak Wi-Fi signal. Does the back have to be on it? Oh, it looks like it might have to be. Is that like a Wi-Fi antenna right there? Well, let's go ahead and stop this. I'll pop the back on it and we'll come back in one moment. Okay, everything should be good. And look at that, we have video. Live video from outside. Nope, I don't want to close it. Oh yeah, I touched the back button by mistake. Let me shut off some of these lights. Oh, and I still have it in manual exposure. There we go. Okay, well there is the security cameras outside. Make sure the rest of them do work. Certainly taking a moment to load. Could be because I just restarted the app recently. Anyhow, I'm going to call it definitely a win. We'll go back to home. There we go. If I can get the buttons to work, close all, and we'll reopen that guy. And we're still at like 55%. I gotta go clean my cameras, definitely. Anyhow, that's gonna be it. How to replace the battery in your Samsung Galaxy Tab E. And yeah, gotta adjust a couple of cameras. What is the model number on this guy? Let me turn the light. I think it's a SM-T960NU, if I'm not mistaken. SM-T960NU. My bad. Anyhow, that's it. Repaired. Well, back to repair videos. I know it's been a long time. Long time. I apologize. But we're going to get back into this stuff very shortly, starting with this tablet right here. Everyone, have a great day. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Bye-bye.